Today we talk about how can you get premium on your Truecaller app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, you click on it here. When you just click on your photo profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on upgrade to premium, just click on it. When you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select here if you want to add here family or premium, Truecaller premium. Just click here on this sign here for month and here for year. I'm going to click for year here. So then here, if you want to add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.